If Google Chrome keeps opening that side search panel every time you search, don't worry. You can turn it off or at least move it out of the way in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to disable side search in Chrome, and I'll also show you a quick fallback option if you want to keep it but move it to the left side instead. This is a super useful fix if you're tired of that right side panel taking up space and distracting you while you browse. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and easiest method is to switch your default search engine back to Google in Chrome settings. Side search is a feature that is specifically triggered with Google Search, so changing the search behavior can stop those right-click searches from opening in that extra panel. To do that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click Search Engine. Here, you'll see your current search engine settings. Click the Change button, select Google, and then click Set as Default. Once that's done, Chrome should start using a normal search flow again, which can help reduce or disable the side search behavior depending on your setup. If the panel still shows up, don't worry, because there's another simple option you can use. This second method won't completely remove the side panel, but it will move it out of the way so it doesn't take up as much space on the right side of your browser. Again, click the three vertical dots in Chrome and go back into Settings. This time, click Appearance on the left menu. Now scroll down until you find the Side Panel section. You should see a drop-down option there. Click the drop-down and select Show on the left. This shifts the panel to the left side of the screen, which makes your browsing area feel much cleaner and less crowded. So if your main goal is to keep Chrome usable and remove that annoying right side distraction, this is a great workaround. Just to recap, if you want the quickest fix, go to Search Engine and set Google as the default. If you want to keep the side panel but make it less intrusive, go to Appearance and move the side panel to the left. Try the first method first, and if needed, use the second one as a backup. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Chrome tips, browser fixes, and hidden settings tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.